Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Sonata headlight bulb. This easy method will save you time and money. First, gather your tools: a new H7 headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open the hood and locate the driver's side headlight assembly, which is usually visible near the front of the engine bay. Now, let's access the bulb. Look for a round, black plastic cap or access panel directly behind the headlight assembly. Gently turn this cap counterclockwise by about 1/4 turn until it loosens, then remove it. Next, you will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small release tab on the connector and pull it straight off the bulb. This provides clear access to the bulb itself. With the connector removed, you'll find a retaining spring or wire clip holding the bulb. Carefully unclip this spring, pushing it away from the bulb. Now, gently pull the old headlight bulb straight out from its housing. Avoid twisting it. When inserting the new H7 bulb, handle it only by its base to prevent oil from your skin from damaging the glass. Secure the new bulb by re-engaging the retaining spring, making sure it is seated correctly. Finally, let's finish up and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, replace the round plastic cap, turning it clockwise until it locks securely. Close your vehicle's hood. Before driving, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly for both low and high beams. This simple process ensures you're back on the road safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.